What's up guys? So for today's video, I'm going to be filming a what's in my makeup bag. So if you're interested in finding out what some of my favorite makeup products are, or just what works really well for my skin type, which if you didn't know is oily and dehydrated, which are total opposites, but there you go. Also, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. That would really help me out. Look at me changing up my intro. But yeah, if you want to see some of my all-time favorite makeup that I use literally every single day, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my base makeup, just because this is what I typically would start if I was to actually do a makeup routine. So I'm just going to pull out random. Obviously, it's not going to be in the order that I put it on in, but this is the Hard Candy Translucent Loose Powder. This one, again, is just in the translucent shade. I don't notice if it does a white cast or not, or has a white cast, just because I don't normally take flash photography. So I definitely would check that out before like going to an event or party or anything, but for everyday use this one is awesome. Next I have the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. As you can tell, this one has been loved. I'm almost like used the whole entire thing, but I've had it for a couple years now. This was one of the first high-end makeup products that I bought. I love it. It is like my holy grail bronzer. I love it. And then I have my beauty blender. This one isn't actually by the brand Beauty Blender, but it's just one from Marshall's. I don't want to spend $30 on a sponge because I tend to like repurchase these pretty frequently. But yeah, kind of unhygienic, but I just throw it in my makeup bag and I love using a sponge to do my makeup. I then have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighting palette, highlighting thing. I'm obsessed. It is so beautiful. I use it every single day, which is a lot because I never use highlighter. It is beautiful. It was so worth the money. I'm obsessed, and you get so much with it, like it's crazy. I then have the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, so I just picked this one up the other day. So I've only been able to use it once, so I don't really have like, I don't know, I have no opinions on it just yet, but I hope it's amazing because I've heard really good things. I then have a Tarte blush. This is just one of their mini ones in the shade Ornate. This one's really pretty because it's kind of like, I don't know, it's a mixture between a rose and a peach color. It's really pretty. I like it. It doesn't look too crazy on your face. Like, it doesn't look like you're wearing blush. It's just like a really pretty healthy glow. As for concealers, I just have two options here. My all-time favorite is the Milani Retouch and Erase Lightening Concealer. This one's awesome. It has a little sponge on the tip, which is amazing because I've wanted to try the Maybelline Age Rewind forever, but it's not cruelty free, so I can't purchase it. But Milani is, and this one's amazing. It's a little bit dark for my skin tone, but I wear it anyways just because it's so good. And then I just have the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in the lightest shade, just to kind of lighten up my concealer or my under eye. I also use this to carve out my brows if I'm feeling super bougie that day. I will grab this one. As for foundation, I just have the Marcel Flawless, what is this called? Skin Fusion Foundation. Mine's in the shade Ivory. I'm obsessed with it. It's a little bit more hydrating, but it doesn't make me look oily at all. I find it actually keeps my oils under control because it kind of tricks my skin into thinking that it's already hydrated. It's really, really nice. And then as for brushes, these are like the ones I use every single day. So I have the Real Techniques buffing brush. This one, I don't actually know what it's called, but I use it to clean up my contour, or I'll use it if I want to put bronzer all over my eyes. This big one is their powder brush. I use this to bronze up on my neck. I then just have a little spoolie for obviously brushing out my eyebrows if I decide to use a powder that day. And then this one's just by BH Cosmetics. I think it's just number 31, and I just use that to apply my bronzer. Oh, I almost forgot one. This is the Real Techniques setting brush. So this one's awesome to apply highlighter, just the perfect size. All right, moving on to the other side. I have the Mario Badescu facial spray. As you can see, I'm all done and I need to buy a third bottle. I'm obsessed with this one. It is their facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. It's so good, and I honestly think this is why my makeup stays on so well during the day. For brows, I have two options, so I'll either use my brow bar to go by Gerard Cosmetics. It used to be by Whitening Lightning, but I don't know if they just changed their name or somebody bought the company. I don't know, but I've been getting into filling in my brows with a powder instead of a pencil, but it does take a little bit more time. So this one is in the shade medium to ebony, and I just use the more cooler tone shade in the middle, and then the wax to set my brows. If I'm in a rush and I need to use a pencil, this is what I'll use. It's the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. I love this one. It's kind of like the Anastasia brow definer, so it has like a thicker end. And then this is the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. So I'll use this one to set my brows. My number one Holy Grail lipstick in the whole entire world is this one by Smashbox. It's their Be Legendary lipstick in the shade Audition. It's beautiful. Let me show you. It is the most pretty pinky nude in the whole entire world. This is so hard to do with one hand. Like, look how beautiful that is. I will be repurchasing this lipstick until the day I die, I swear. My other two options for lips are two glosses. So this one is by Tanya Burr and Eye Candy. It was like their collab, I'm assuming, and it's in the shade Champagne Toast. So it's a really pretty peachy, sparkly nude. I love this one and it smells amazing. And then I also have the Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss in Fenty Glow. Again, it's a little bit more of a peachy pink color and it is sparkly as well and it smells amazing. This is just the mini version. The full-size one is obviously bigger, but I just wanted to try it out. And then finally, the last two things I have in my makeup bag are a pair of tweezers because you never know when you're gonna need tweezers. And this mascara by Marcel is the Ultimate Easy Lash. I got this for Christmas in my stocking and I definitely need to pick up another one because it looks so gross right now. So does my makeup bag. Like, clearly I need to clean my makeup bag because it looks disgusting, but this is a realistic what's in my makeup bag. So yeah, that is everything that I have in my makeup bag. So this is just like an overview. I try and keep it like the minimum amount of products in here as possible just so that I can actually close the bag. But yeah, these are my Holy Grail items and things that just work really well with my skin. Okay, so that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to smash that thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. That would mean a lot to me. We're so close to 4,000 subscribers, so I'm really hoping we can get there within the next couple of weeks before my birthday in May. That would be super cool. But yeah, so thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do you. Don't get you look so nice, but you're not nice. You're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner and it's slow whining. One time.